Creating great customer, supplier, and partner relationships is simple. Just make it easy for them to do business with you. But when you're bogged down in paper, manual document processes, legacy systems and silos, how can you deliver a great experience? Most organizations have multiple document processes, but just 25 to 40% are automated, and automation is the highest impact, fastest way to improve customer satisfaction, optimize operations, and achieve a sustainable competitive advantage. Let's look at a document process performed manually by Jim, our hardworking office guy. Every time Jim gets a request, he has to open the email and attachment, search for needed information, and transfer that information into his company's business system. This takes him about 2 minutes per email. Jim performs this exact process around 50 times per day, which means he devotes an entire workday each week just transferring information from one system to another. In 1 year, Jim spends over 400 hours on one little task that could be automated, and that's not counting all the time he spends hunting down missing and incorrect information or fixing mistakes he made copying and pasting. In this demo, we'll watch as a time-consuming and error-prone document process like Jim's is automated in seconds with an intelligent software robot and cognitive document automation leveraging OCR, AI, and machine learning technology. First, Jim opens his email program. There's a new email with an invoice attached. Jim presses a hotkey to trigger his trusty digital coworker, the invoice robot, to handle it. Or the robot could just automatically process the invoice attachment when it arrives, without any human intervention. The robot opens the invoice, then marks the email as read. Next, the robot logs into SAP, the company's enterprise resource planning software. Here, where the combination of RPA and cognitive document automation is magic, the robot reads and retrieves invoice data using cognitive document automation technology that leverages artificial intelligence and machine learning to understand the invoice. It only takes seconds to get the results. Next, the robot automatically enters invoice details into SAP, finding the correct vendor by matching the entire invoice with the vendor master data. Our mistake-proof robot noticed that the vendor's billing address has changed, so it updated SAP's master data to match. When information is missing or doesn't add up, robots are great about letting you know. Here, the robot discovered the invoice amount was $30 more than the purchase order, so it notified Jim. The best part is how easy a process like this is to automate. With a powerful but intuitive design environment, even business users can automate processes with no programming required. And Jim's boss can monitor robot and human productivity and drive continuous improvement with robotic process intelligence. In just a few seconds, our robot has automated a high-volume, mistake-prone, time-consuming document process that used to take Jim all day. Now Jim can focus on value-added work like handling exceptions, developing relationships with customers or vendors, and maybe even leaving at 5 p.m. By combining robotic process automation, artificial intelligence, and humans for any type of scanned or imported document in your business, you've created a more intelligent workforce and made it easy for your customers, vendors, and partners to do business with you. How's that for a competitive advantage? Visit www.cofax.com/RPA to learn more.